A mixed border is a bed of mixed plants that borders something. A path, a lawn, a wall. It's a common garden design feature. How do you make it sing? When mixing up your plants, you can just make a kaleidoscope of colours and it looks great. But it looks even more effective if you're disciplined with your colours in the same way you would be in a room inside your house or with your own clothes. You could try mixing warm colours together or some other colour combination. Complementary colour contrasts. Or maybe just go with a single colour everywhere. You could repeat 1 or 2 plants to have dominant colour bands. You could repeat 4 or 5 plants in a pattern to create a pleasing repeated tapestry. Gardeners go for that chock-a-block feel, with plants totally filling the bed luxuriously. Texture and height is another key element of mixed border design. Round bushes and spire-shaped plants, fine leaves, spiky leaves, broad leaves, lace leaves, and of course small plants at the front building up to tall ones at the back. One more thing to think of. How will you mark the edge of your border? With pavers? With a cut grass edge? With grass and pavers? With a low hedge? With a taller hedge? With an informal row of feature plants? What about behind your bed? A nice green hedge will make a crisp contrast, or a wall, perhaps an espalier tree, or a trained rose arbour. If you have a little ruined medieval abbey, then use it. What about seasonal variety? Are you going to go all in and have every plant flower in a single wow moment in the middle of summer? Or are you going to hedge your bets and go for something perhaps less breathtaking but which looks good all year round? A mixed border is a popular element of most gardens. You have lots of design options to mix and match to make yours just the way you want it. When it comes to a summer border, nothing beats the English mixed border. These generous 2 or 3 metre wide borders, a kaleidoscope of colour, and they absolutely come to life in the middle of summer.